The power of apples, boosting your skin and health. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the fantastic benefits of eating apples for both our skin and overall health. Apples are not only a tasty snack but also a natural wonder, packed with essential nutrients. Nourishing your skin. Apples are loaded with vitamins A and C, which are essential for healthy skin. Vitamin C promotes collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apples also contain antioxidants that protect the skin from free radicals, helping to combat signs of aging. The high water content in apples keeps the skin hydrated and contributes to a radiant complexion. Skin conditions and apples. The antioxidants in apples, such as quercetin, have anti-inflammatory properties that may alleviate skin conditions like acne, eczema, and rosacea. Apples' natural acids can help balance the skin's pH level, reducing oiliness and preventing breakouts. Eating apples regularly may promote a clearer, more glowing complexion. Enhancing overall health. Apples are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting regular bowel movements, which contributes to detoxification and clearer skin. The fiber in apples can help control cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in apples have been associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases, such as cancer and diabetes. Apples are also known to support weight management due to their high fiber content and satisfying crunch. Delicious apple recipe ideas. Let's get creative with some mouth-watering apple recipe ideas that you can enjoy while reaping the benefits. 1 apple cinnamon overnight oats, a nutritious and filling breakfast option. 2 apple salad with mixed greens, combine sliced apples, mixed greens, nuts, and a tangy dressing for a refreshing and healthy salad. 3 baked apple chips, thinly slice apples, sprinkle with cinnamon, and bake for a crunchy and guilt-free snack. Conclusion. By incorporating apples into our daily diet, we can improve our skin health and overall well-being. Remember, eating apples not only supports radiant skin but also provides a wide array of health benefits. So, let's take a big bite of this nature's treasure and enjoy the transformation it brings to our skin and health. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay healthy and see you next time.